Alright, so Mike's disconnected his other battery, the 200. Now we're going to go grab this other one.
You need help?
Yeah. It's about...
It's a little bigger.
It's about 50 pounds. Let go. I imagine those bolts will go right in the same spot.
Shouldn't they?
Yeah. They got caps in them. Yeah. Power and solar. Basically just hook them back up the way they were. And talk about an easy install. I'll show you when we get done. Okay. There it is. He went from 200 amp hours to 300 amp hours, and this one has all the protections in it. It's already showing voltages and stuff going in. It was 52% when we got it here, and it's almost at 53% now. So yeah, and he's gonna run it with what he's got, and he's gonna let me know what it ends up like in the end. Okay, so that's the Vatrer. They got some pretty weird names that are hard to pronounce. Alright, let me show you what I got going on in here. The mini split guy came. I told him, you know, I didn't know what else he wanted me to get ready for him. So he told me. So I took it apart, got the wires mounted. This is the condensation line, and this is the line sets. So Mike's gonna help me lift this up and shove it out there and route everything where it needs to go. I think I might put a zip tie on this to keep everything in line. So I'll grab a couple of my zip ties and zip tie that, and then hang it up there. And then he says he'll be back Wednesday. He's got other jobs he's in the middle of doing, so yeah. And in the meantime, I got both these air conditioners going, and they're cranking out some pretty good cold. It makes it nice when I gotta take a nap, which I tend to do. And that one's going. It's 81 in here and 89 outside, but that's because my thermometer outside is right there. So it's definitely warm out here. But yeah, birds and bunnies are eating like crazy. This bird feeder was full. I filled it last night in the dark. So from all the way up here, all the way down, what's that, a good solid 2 inches, just, it's, I don't know, around 11-ish. Doesn't take them long. And then I'd stuff some lettuce in the fence again yesterday evening, and the bunnies were eating on it. And this morning, not a speck of it. Oh yeah. And they've drank half the water. I got to refill that and find a place I can put some shade, put it in some shade. So there we go. The new battery is in, working and doing its thing. And so I think, who was it? Marshall told me that he saw one in Walmart for $560. I don't know what they got. They haven't told me about any discounts or anything yet. But if they do, I'll let you know. All right. Later. And there he goes. And his battery, the Vatrer, is already up to 70%, 72%. One of the things we found out was this morning we got it hooked up, and then he forgot and left the door open, so the battery was in the sun and it had been charging, and then all of a sudden it wasn't charging. Come to find out that it shut itself off. The battery got too hot, so it did what it's supposed to do when it gets hot. And then a few minutes, he got the sun off of it, put a fan on it to cool it down, and boom, it was back charging again. So that part's working good, and he'll let me know how it does. Should be good compared to his 200. So now he's got 300 to work with, and he's figuring that it will work beautifully for what he needs. Yep, he's headed back up to Kingman. So we had steak and beans for Easter dinner. What do we got going on now? 91 outside, 80 in here. So yep, that was a fun day and a half. Mike showed up like that out of the clear blue. Alright, I guess that's enough videoing for today. Later.